guys. Compliments of the season. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to this channel again. Today we are taking you to OKO Town. OKO Town in Orumba North local government area of Anambra State, Nigeria. Okay. This town, OKO, has been a very wonderful and historic town in the history of the Igbo land, especially in Anambra State and also the old Anambra State. So this town has produced great men and great women, and the few of them I can mention are the late Alex Ekewume, the late Chief John Ifeako, Ebenezer Otaloka, Jerry Nwosu, and just a whole lot of them. So back in the days, Chief Otaloka was the first man to own and drive a private car in the old Agwata. And also this man is also the first man to build a story building in that division back in the days. And people come from far and near to see this mansion he erected at his hometown. In those days, and also today, a road he pioneered has been named after him in OKO, and that road is called Eziahare. So guys, right now we are in OKO Town, and this is just a day before Christmas. Everywhere is quite busy. You know, people are going to and fro. And right now we are in Alex Ekewume Civic Center, OKO. This civic center is just newly built. Okay, this is the newly built Alex Ekewume Civic Center, OKO. So let's go back to Orumba North as a local government. Orumba North was divided from old Agwata. Yes, the old Agwata comprises of Orumba North, Orumba South, and Agwata. So now we have Orumba North. And this town, or this local government, Orumba North, has 9 towns that made up the local government area. And these 9 towns are as follows: Ikelionu, Okpueze, Nanka, Omo, Ametiti, Awa, Ndiokolo, Ajale, and of course, OKO. By the way, Ajale happens to be the local government headquarters, which implies that Ajale is the capital of Orumba North local government area. Now, OKO has 5 villages, and these villages are commonly referred to as the Ebenese. Okay, yeah, they are commonly referred to as the Ebenese villages. And the names of the villages are as follows. One is Ezioko, the other is Eziabo, and then Okani, then Ihengu, and of course Ifite village. So guys, these are the villages that's made up OKO as a town. So if you look at this video critically, you will also see masquerades around the town, and you can see how busy the environment is. Very, very, very busy. This is a day before Christmas, and people are coming back home in numbers to celebrate this Christmas with their loved ones at home. And this is what OKO looks like at the moment. So guys, enjoy this video with us. Come with us and make sure you watch this video to the end so that you would get the full view of OKO before Christmas. Just a day before Christmas. And please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, do well to subscribe, comment, share, and like this post. To our returning subscribers, you guys are awesome. The love has been massive. And right now we are at the Federal Polytechnic, OKO. So this is the Federal Polytechnic, OKO, and we are going to drive right through inside this gigantic and historic polytechnic. Come with us. So guys, we are inside the Federal Polytechnic OKO, and you can see there is a serious match going on here. This is a football match that holds every year, and the villages in OKO come together to have a football match, and this competition happens every year. Okay, this is a football competition going on, and there are lots of prizes to be won after the completion of this competition. Okay, this football match is highly competitive amongst the villages that made up OKO as a town, and the winners of this competition, the first runner-up, second runner-up, also go home with a huge sum of money and also gift items. So we are exiting the school right now. This is what OKO looks like, and you also see masquerades parading the streets, and people are having fun, enjoying themselves. If you have watched up to this point, please do well to subscribe, comment, share, and like this post, and don't forget to click on the notification bell down below so that whenever we post a video, you'll be the first to get to know about it. See you on our next epic video coming your way. Bye.